In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Notion. Whether you're organizing personal finances or managing data for a project, learning this feature can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, open Notion in your web browser or on your desktop application. Once inside the Notion workspace, you're going to want to create a new page. To do this, simply look for the option that says Create New Page. It's usually represented by a plus icon on the left-hand pane. Click on that to open up a fresh page where we can work on our table. Now, to move on to creating a table where we'll manage our numbers. In the empty page, type in Tykes table view, and pressing enter will bring up a prompt with different views. From the options provided, click on table view. This will give us a structured format to enter our data and perform calculations. With the table open, it's time to add properties where the numbers will be stored. Look towards the top of your table and click on Add Property. This allows you to define what kind of data will fill the columns of your table. When the drop-down appears, select Number, because we'll be working with numeric values in this example. Repeat this step again to add another number property, as we need 2 columns to perform our subtraction. After adding your number columns, it's time to set up the formula that helps you subtract one number from another. Start by clicking on Add Property again. This time, choose Formula from the list. Once you select that, you're essentially creating a blank canvas where you can define how Notion should perform calculations with the numbers you enter. Having set up the formula property, fill in the table boxes with some sample numbers you wish to subtract. It's crucial to have data in these columns to visualize how the subtraction works. For the formula, click on the formula property where a panel will appear for you to edit. In the formula editor, click on the first column you wish to subtract from. Then find and click on the minus sign short operator. After that, click on the column you're subtracting. This simple setup tells Notion to take the value from one column and subtract the value from the second column. Finish by pressing Done to save your formula. Your table will now automatically perform the subtraction for each row, updating instantly as you change values. And that's it. Subtracting numbers in Notion is a straightforward process, turning your workspace into a powerful calculation tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you feel more confident using Notion to manage numerical data. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.